Hello dear entrepreneur. Today we want to cover all about live chats on your landing page on your website. If you are owner of a small business in town and you offer some services, this live chat can help you to get more sales, more leads for your business. And this is a couple of examples, how it looks here. And let's find out what you need to have and how to automate it. When somebody writes you will receive a notification on your phone right away, and you can chat, you can get this lead, this sale. Okay. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nicolai Mihailiuc, and I'm a founder of this company CreateGo. And from 2009, we help entrepreneurs all around the world, entrepreneurs like you, and we help with landing pages, advertising, and other services you can find here, courses here, and so on. But now we want to cover live chat and all free stuff for your landing page. All what you can do by yourself, all is free, and you don't need to pay any money for it. We researched a lot of live chats, a lot of setups, and we found in this more than 10 years this setup works very well. And let me show you in a real example how it looks. I'll open again the landing page in incognito window to show you how our visitors will interact with a live chat. So he found the landing page. He thinks, oh cool, maybe I should fill the form or not. What is reading? Oh, here. But they are doing for Tesla model, no, I don't know what, and they have some questions. They are looking maybe to read some information. Will be nice to speak with somebody, but maybe it's late, maybe I'm not in the mood to speak on a phone. So okay, I want to close the website. But as you noticed here, this message appears automatically. So it says online. Before it says online, but he didn't interact with it, he didn't notice it. But right now a message appears here, and the message, as you see here, is constructed kind of, hey, welcome to our site. If you are need help, simply reply to this message. We are online and ready to help. So we are online. As you know, many of these live chats, you are thinking, I will chat with a bot, with a whatever, or they will not be online, and you are thinking, okay, they will not be online. I will not write a message. But here it says, it's appears kind of somebody writes you, hey, I'm online, we are ready to help you. And you are thinking, a customer are thinking actually, should I give a try? Let's give a try. They'll answer or not. I have this question about the I don't know, Tesla, my Tesla, and I need a question about this, and they will give a reply. So I'll not write here because it will go to our client. This is one of our clients, and I don't want to confuse him. So I'll give to our website here, and I'll write hi. And let's see how you will receive this message. Oh, I need to open my Wi-Fi because I record the video and I don't want to get notifications. And let's see what message we'll get on our phone. Let's give a thumbs up. And I received a notification. So only when somebody writes here, I'll receive a notification on my phone, and it say hi, and I can write something here, and I will see, okay, somebody is writing, and when I hit send, it'll automatically will send here. So you'll have more chances to interact with a client. Okay, let me show you how you can integrate this here. Oh, but you saw here is a message from me, Nicolai Mihailiuc. Could you please leave me your phone number or email, and I will come back as soon as possible. Now I'm not at the computer and I can answer quickly. So I'm here, but I'm not here. kind of. You can compose whatever message here you want, or welcoming message, but you need to, on welcoming message, to say you are online, you are here, because you open the notification, you are available. But sometimes, in rare cases, maybe if you are with some clients in the shop, maybe you are not able, because you are recording a video like I am recording now, and I'm not able to answer quickly. And in 40 seconds, in 30 seconds, you need to answer quickly, because we are not patient. We'll close the website and will go away. So you want to answer very quickly to their messages. And if in case you will not answer quickly, you will have this automated message from the live chat. You need to set up whatever live chat you will use. You need to set up this kind of automated message, because they may leave their phone number, their email. Okay, yes, please contact me. If they'll not decided, okay, they'll leave the website, but at least you will have their contact information. So let me show you how to set up this. In our case, we are using Talk2. This is a free live chat, free tool for you. You can sign up. After you sign up, you will log in here. As you hear, some information. Hey, you have a visitor. Let's jump in, join. Okay, I joined. So you can be online also on the desktop. If you have some employee, you can log them in the desktop, and they will receive also notification. And as you see here, we have a lot of clients and more than 1,000 messages we send to our clients, because we are doing also digital marketing. We help with Google and Facebook, and they receive a lot of these messages, and some of them don't reply, or some of them have a lot of these messages, and some clients even close the live chat because they don't have time to answer so many clients they receive. But if you have not so many, you can activate this, because when somebody will search on Google, for example, let me give an example for this company. When somebody searches on Google your company, they open couple of websites. Let me open some of them, and you see their information, but you don't have this live chat. You don't have right away to communicate. Oh, welcome, how we can help you? But they don't say I'm online, I am not sure if they'll answer me, and let's say hi. And most probably I will wait, I will not receive anything. Here again, you don't have a live chat, so you will be one of we'd love to follow up you, please provide your name. It seems they are not online. So when you have a live chat, you have a bigger advantage compared to your competitors. Okay, let's go here on settings, widget chat, and here we need to copy widget code, and we will install the live chat on a brand new website we built for this company. And to do this, we use, actually to build a website, we use Breezy. If you will need a free landing page builder and you can build your landing page, this is the builder you can use. Link is in description. You can sign up for a very good price, and you will, good price I mean free. And you can after you can upgrade if you need more functionality, but basic functionality brings you all necessary tools to work with. So here in settings, you need to find kind of code injection or code or footer. So you can use WordPress, you can use other builders. All of these builders have this kind of functionality to place the code in footer. So I place this code in footer, I click save, I'll give preview to the landing page, and we will see a live chat here. Oh, yes, the live chat is here. Live chat is here. This is a live chat from our website. So this is how you can install. Let me show you one additional trick. This is a bonus for you. Even if you will not use Talk2, you can use other chats. They are you need to pay for them. This is free and very good. But even if you will use another live chat, you need to set up these automated triggers or these automated messages. So here we have welcome message, and on welcome message you will say, hey, welcome to our site. Simply, we are online. Simply reply to this. So this is a welcome message. It's good to have an avatar, name, you can name it, and name of an agent. Also, this is rescue. If you will not be good to respond very quickly, at least you will have their phone number and you can contact them back. So this is the automated message sent after 1 minute. I can set up 45 seconds, so I can decide in what interval I will set up this rescue message. So you can add more of these triggers, but functionality is the same. So you need to get the lead, get the client right away. I hope this message was useful for you on how to set up your live chat on your landing page on your website. And if you enjoyed this message, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of information for entrepreneurs who work in a community who has offline business. So see you in the next message.